guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video guys, I am working with Temu in this part of the video. Well, the whole video actually, I'm working with Temu. Now if you haven't heard of Temu, I don't know where you've been for the last so many months, but Temu is an online app that basically sell everything from beauty to fashion to accessories to homeware stuff to garden to your car to your fur babies to your actual babies. They sell literally everything, and it is so affordable, even so much affordable that if you are new to Temu, I will leave my link on screen and down in the description box for you to get a further 30% off your order. And also using my direct link, which I'll leave down in the description box as well, straight to the website and start putting things in your basket, because I'm obsessed. My basket is getting pretty darn full again, guys. But yeah, in this part of the video we're doing a Christmassy special because oh my god, Christmas is not that far away from us now, guys. They've got so many gift ideas, stocking fillers, things for your fur babies, things for your actual babies, things for the other half, things for yourself, because you have to treat yourself as well. They've got so much stuff. Not just for Christmas, they've got a wide variety of things that you can go and check out. Absolutely, I absolutely love Temu. The hype is real, guys, the hype is real. So anyway, I am working with Temu in today's video. As you can already see, I've already decorated my Christmas tree. I didn't film that part, but I have got a few bits from Temu that need to be put around the living room to finish off my little winter wonderland. So I picked up a few bits, so grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, and let's just jump straight on into it, guys. So the first thing that I've picked up is this little ornament. So it's a little reindeer ornament that's going to sit on the fireplace. I'll put the prices on screen. All products that I'm showing you in today's video will be linked and listed down below. So if you find out that you want to pick one of these up, then it'll be just down in the description for you guys to do that, as always. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute on there. I think I'll definitely keep it on the fireplace. You can hang them above your door frames, in bookcases, over the TV I've seen them, but yeah, that looks super adorable on the fireplace, so I'll definitely be keeping it on there. The next thing that I got was a mat. So this is a front door mat, and you guys know I am gonk crazy. I absolutely love my gonk. Gorgeous Christmas gonk mat. It says Merry Christmas at the bottom, and you've got 3 gonks on there. It's cute. I love gonks, so that'll just stay at the front door. But yeah, it is a little bit on the small side, but I think I just picked the wrong size, so totally my fault. Oh yes, I remember these. So obviously for autumn I had the pumpkin pillowcases, so I picked up some Christmassy ones. So we've got one with presents on. I think they're a little bit different. Another one, so it's got like gold theme on. 4 in a pack, so you get 4 pillowcases. We've got one with Merry Christmas on and another Merry Christmas. They are super cute on my sofa. I absolutely love them. A little Merry Christmas ornament. How stinking cute and very 90s is this ornament. So it's got a little Christmas tree, a little church, a snowman and another Christmas tree, and then some little snowflakes. But how gorgeous is that little trinket? It's so cute. Again, very 90s themed. You're probably not even going to be able to see what this is. So they're literally like snowflakes, and I think that's what it is. Oh, it's got a reindeer and snowflakes and stuff like that. So I thought this would be ideal just to put on. I've got a double glass door. So I thought that that would be absolutely, oh god, this lighting. So I thought these would be ideal to go on my little glass window. Very 90s, right? So yeah, I'm gonna pop them on. And I'm back, guys. So they were very delicate, as you can imagine, but once you got the hang of it, they're quite easy to do. And looking on the windows now, it does look very Christmassy. It does. Sat in the room, I can actually see them, and it does look pretty cute on the windows. Very nostalgic, very 90s. We have one item left, guys. And I had to do it. I had to get a cheesy Christmas jumper, Temu style, okay? And they had my gonks, so I had to get a gonk jumper, guys. I just had to do it. Blue Christmassy gonk jumper. Guys, that's everything that I picked up to do this Temu Christmas special. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new to Temu and you want to check them out, then I will leave my discount code up on screen for you and down in the description below. So that is for new users only, and that will get you an extra 30% off at checkout. Also, I'll leave the direct link, my direct link to Temu in the description below as well. You'll get more discount bundles down there as well. I'll leave all the details about Temu in the description. I will also leave a link to all the products that I picked up today down in the description if you want to check them out. And until next time, I love you always, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.